Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have a very interesting speaker with us here, which is the LG XBoom Go PN5 with Meridian. Again, Meridian is a company which is more into sounds and different experience, and it's based out of Great Britain. And on the top, we have some details like it works or it's compatible with the Google Play. I mean, basically for Android and iOS, and it's clearly made for iPhone and iPod. So basically, it's compatible with all of your Android and Apple devices. All the list of Apple devices are mentioned here. On this back, we have some additional details here. Clearly mentioned that this is a fresh product. I mean, it was just imported during the lockdown, that's July 2020, with the MRP of 16,990 rupees, and some additional details are mentioned here. Apart from that, on the back we have more details. I mean, a graphical representation of the speaker, not this exact model, I guess, because that's this one without the handle. On this side, we have all the features of this product, that's with Meridian, and it comes with dual action base, long battery life, 18 hours. Now that's actually huge. I'm looking forward to it. It comes with a multicolor lighting for party. Well, that's also a good thing. It comes with a wireless party link, which is supporting up to 100 units. So let's say you have a party, you can place 1, 2, 3, 4, and that way you can place around 100 units, and all of you can have a big party. So next time, if your friends are planning for a get together, tell everyone to buy one of these and tell them to carry one of their speakers, and then you could have a blast. Anyway, that was a joke. I'm sure not all of your friends would be ready to do that. Anyway, it comes with Bluetooth surround with compatible LG TV, and it is water resistant. That's very important for outdoor purpose, and also it supports or comes with the XBoom app for Android and iOS. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, let me just quickly open this up and take a quick look on the speaker itself. So here we go. Let's open this pack. Here we go. And a good packaging, I would say. First point for the packaging itself. And this is a speaker. Well, I thought it would be larger than what it is here. And apart from this, we have this small section. So let me just first open this up and take a look at what we get within this section. Here we get a simple manual. Well, it's clearly mentioned it's a simple manual, and yes, it is definitely simple, just 3-4 pages, a simple small manual. This is probably the warranty booklet, and then we have a micro USB. No, well, that's surprising. It comes with a Type-C cable. Now that's very good. Anyway, moving on, let's take a look at the actual product, and this is the speaker. Well, I am still surprised because the design didn't mention about this handle, and this comes with the handle. So this is definitely the, I would say, the better variant, but the packaging did confuse me to some extent. And guys, this is the all new speaker, and this is the XBoom. Now you can take a look here, that's XBoom mentioned there. There are both the speakers here. On the side we have XBoom mentioned, and this is definitely moving here. Anyway, on the bottom, first thing first, let's take a look at all the ports here. So first thing first, what we get here is this section, and here you can take a look. That's the DC in 5 volt, so that's for charging. Then you have the aux port, you have the reset button, and an additional button probably for pairing with other devices, if I'm not wrong. So let me just put this back and take a look at the options. Now here we have the on off switch, then the Bluetooth button to pair your device, and some additional controls. Again, this is coming with DTS Stereo Plus and sound boost in case you would like to boost it up. So let me just quickly go to my phone and try to pair this, and let's search for this. So this is already available here. That's the LG PN5, and I guess we are connected. It's asking me to download an application. Let me just do that. And it's the LG XBoom app which is being downloaded. So I'm waiting for downloading this application, which shouldn't take much time, and get back to you. So guys, we have downloaded the app, that's the LG's XBoom application. And here one interesting thing which I wanted to highlight was this option where you could change the lightning effects. As you can see here, it has different effects, like you could just change from the forest, or you can say the party mode, or my style, which is you could additionally make some changes here. So here I would probably go for the party mode, and then also we have some additional options here, like are you controlling this from Bluetooth or not. Then let me just go back. It's asking me to select a song, so let me just go to YouTube and play some music. Now let me just quickly show you a demo by disabling the Bluetooth and playing the song. This is being played, just for your reference, in full sound. Now the music is being played here. And that was in 50% audio level. Let me just increase that to full. So that was a demo, guys. Again, do make a note that the sound is actually very good, the bass is actually good, and you would have an amazing experience. In fact, you also have the controllers here, so you don't need your phone all the time with you. You could still control it with this. And the best part which I liked was the IP55 rating, and at the same time you have the option of 18 hours battery, which is really good. Again, do make a note that if you have enabled the DTS Stereo Plus sound, then the sound boost won't work. But if you are looking for sound boost, then that's so that's how the switch works basically. But that's the speaker from LG, under the Meridian partnership, and this is the XBoom speaker from LG, which has been launched in India. Again, if you'd like to buy this, you can check out the link in description. And this was a complete unboxing and a demo of this product. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to Phone Radar for more videos like this. And I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.